I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hey guys, I haven't done an unboxing and review video in a very long time. So, it is time. And today is all about sneakers. Now we know life cannot always be perfect, but your sneakers can be. And that's why today I'm unboxing one of the best sneaker brands out there. Oliver Cabell. Let's check them out. Alright guys, I'm so excited because I bought these two pairs from Oliver Cabell. Yes, it's not a sponsored video. But then they also sent me this for free, which is pretty neat. Jewelry. Alright, so I got these two pairs. The first one, wow man, this is so light. Exactly what I wanted. This is the Phoenix white sneakers. And then we got the stylish low one black sneakers. Nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna try these shoes on for a couple of weeks, and while I do, I'm going to tell you a few things about Oliver Cabell that you need to know. Let's do this. First up, the Phoenix White. Now, the Phoenix White is 3D printed from 7 recycled water bottles, and it's made so that you can wash it in the washing machine. And these guys got free shipping worldwide. Now, I've been testing it out for a while, and they're great. They look stylish, fits in with most outfits, and it feels super light, comfortable, and cooling. What more do you want? Well, if you don't like the white, you can also get it in black. Now let's take a look at the low one black sneaker. These sneakers will never get out of style because they always look great. Hand stitched and lasted in Italy with calfskin leather on top and margam Italian outsoles, well known for its great quality rubber. Good quality shoes will always be better than low quality shoes that won't last long. They're comfortable, stylish, and fits with most of the outfits. If you need a new pair of good quality sneakers, then check Oliver Cabell out. They are the king of sneakers, with a lot more styles that you can choose from, for men and women. They've been in Forbes, Esquire, GQ, the New York Times, and many others. All that, and they're only 2 years old. Started by a guy named Scott and his wife. Their main goal was to bring simplicity, quality construction, and timeless design to the footwear space, and they've certainly achieved it. I'll add my favorite shoes for you in the video description down below if you want to check them out. Now, if you guys want more unboxing videos, let me know what kind of products you guys like me to unbox, and I'll see if I can also throw in a few free giveaways as well. That's it from me guys, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!